What are we gonna do?
Told you. We're gonna hang out. Gonna watch a movie.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Alright guys, so first off, we only are using one account of My Lead Gen Secrets. Usually you have multiple accounts, but if you're just starting, you'll only start with one. So I want to just show the results of just one account, what one account can do, guys. Let alone multiple, a bunch of accounts. Just one, alright guys? Now, alright, so one account is very effective. You might get better results than me, you might get worse results than me, but this is something you can build up just with minimum effort. All right guys, and if you're interested in following along, links in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get started. All right, so first off, I want to speak on why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business. Essentially, it's a lot of things, but ultimately it's a funnel builder, and a funnel builder is something that you need to start a business, work a business, try to get it going, and you kind of need that to really kind of elevate your business to magnificent levels in which it pays for everything in your life. All right, so it shows you how to do that. Everything's done for you, all that good stuff, and it shows you how to do more. It shows you how to do more than that. So it's a lot of stuff, and that's $25 per month, guys. No limitations on your funnel builder. You can make as many funnel builders as you want, all that good stuff, and it's only $25 per month, guys, which is insane. All right, that's really good. Okay, and yeah. To compare, the most popular funnel builder out right now is ClickFunnels. It's $149 per month, guys. $149 per month with a ton of limitations, a lot of limitations. All right, guys, a lot of limitations, and those limitations are only erased if you pay $300 per month. That is 1 year in this system doing the same thing, basically, and that's crazy. That's insane. That's what I used to pay as well, but I stopped paying it. Well, when I paid it was $97 per month. They don't went up a lot. But anyway, guys, the second reason why I like promoting $25 all-in-one digital business, and I think the reason you guys were interested and why I was initially interested, is because of its affiliate system, which is 80% recurring commissions. That is insanity, guys. One sale is so valuable in this system because of that. That's why this works. This minimum effort works, because a sale is so effective. You make so much money off of one sale. All right, why it's so effective, guys. This is all I've been doing, and I got into this level. That's why I'm saying this is really good. All right, so anyway, guys, that's all it is to that. We're gonna refresh the page to show real results. It's very easy to change all these results around, so I want to make sure you guys see that I'm showing you real results. So don't believe anybody that doesn't refresh the page. All right, so alright guys, it looks like I did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine. You gotta be able to keep skating, you know what I mean? You can't let that knock you down. Anyway, we're gonna go on over to the mailing system here. We're gonna click on that. I already clicked on it. Okay, so I click on the leads, then pull up your next email here. What's my next one? Fill your monthly income. You know what? We're gonna make a new email real quick. All right. See if we can. We're gonna go to. It's a ton of places you can go to get emails. I personally like this, but you can do AND1. But we're gonna go with this here. All right. So yeah, we're gonna use this email here. This is a good one. And we're gonna pick some. We're gonna do this. Hit perfect timing. What perfect timing does, send an email around time people check emails. We're basically gonna keep this right here. Get started and make money. The link that you want to use, guys, you want to use the all-in-one $25 business here. What it does, the reason why you want to use this is because it promotes the $20 every month and the $100 every month. There's some people that been in here for like 5 months, almost 5 months, because I think this is my 4th month I've been posting, but I don't had the system for 5 months. So yeah, I'm on 5 months, and this is all I've been doing. This is the type of money I made in 5 months just doing this, guys. So yeah, all right. So we're gonna take this email here, copy it here, basically just get rid of this. What? That. That. Paste this. Get rid of this. Boom. And all we're gonna do is say, we're just gonna highlight stuff. Boom. I'm gonna put something like every put that in. Gonna underline, place a lot. Underline. So yeah, we are done. See that? The email's done. Just that quick. Very easy to do. It's a ton of ways you can get emails. I like using this system, but that's all. We got a brand new email just like that, guys. So you hit perfect timing, you hit preview. Email looks pretty good. Keep it like that. It looks a little better. Make sure the link works. Yeah, the link works. All right, so yeah, we're gonna send this email here. Boom, we're done. That's all it takes, guys. And we're done. That's all it takes, guys. Yeah. And really build up this income. You know, keep doing this every day, you'll be fine. Now anyway, guys, make sure to hit, if you're interested in following along, make sure to check the links in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.